Okay, titingnan na muna natin yung ating beef rindang. Why na?
Oh my.
This is it.
Itsura.
Napakaganda.
Napakaganda. Sarap
Wow.
ligawan.
Sabat Nagba-brown-brown, tapos naglangis-langis na. Yes.
Saktong-sakto. Pwede na nating iserve yan by the time na maisalang ko itong paandar ng dessert department. Gagawa tayo ng cinnamon nutmeg pudding. So social sounding, but you know, it's very, very easy to make. So basically, ibababad mo ang gata sa mixture na to na ang base mo ay milk at itlog at butter. Yes. Hiwain natin into cubes. Warm the milk and melt the butter.
Okay. Silagay ko na po to.
Yes po.
Yan
So
na.
dito naman, dinagdag ko yung eggs and then brown sugar. Tapos may rum. So dried raisins. And then finally, we'll put cinnamon and nutmeg. Cinnamon and nutmeg are two of the oldest spices. Sige siya.
Ilagay na natin?
Yes.
Lahat na?
Yes.
Wow.
Warm. Ganun kadali, ganda.
Wow, look at that.
Kailangan mo siyang ibabad talaga.
Oh. Oh, you need my, help?
Yan.
This one.
So, kumbaga, ang rendang, sinukok mo at inabsorb niya yung gata at lahat ng flavors. Dito, ganun din. Kailangan niya ma-absorb yung milk and egg. Kung wala kayong non-stick, kailangan yung i-grease yung gilid niya ng butter. Ayan, lalagay ko na siya.
Masarap yan pag may litchi flan.
Yes, or
Ay,
i-drizzle
nako.
mo kung may, let's say, caramel ka or chocolate syrup.